Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. How do you feel today? Do you have energy? Are you a little bit tired?
A little bit tired.
Come on, we're going to have fun today. How was your weekend? Was it fun? Was it boring? Did you have a good time with your family, with your friends?
Yes, with my family.
All right, very good. So, yesterday I was watching the news and they were talking about something very important for us. La salud, our health. Do you think our health is important?
Yes.
Yes, it is, right? So, in the piece of news, nutritionists, experts who help people to have a healthy lifestyle, estilo de vida, lifestyle, they talk about Chile, which is the second country with the highest obesity rate, índice de obesidad, obesity rate in the whole world.
Oh,
It is very important to learn about this because it has an impact in our lives. Let me tell you a personal story. My uncle had a heart attack y lamentablemente falleció. The reason was that he ate a lot of junk food, like these bonobons, and he never did some exercise. So I think that this unhealthy lifestyle killed him. What do you think?
I think the same.
Camilo, do you practice any sport?
Yes, teacher.
Excellent. You play football, right? That is very good for your health. Now, moving on. What do you see on the board?
Um, Useful expressions for giving opinions.
Yes, that's right. We worked with them last class, and now we're going to use them for an activity I prepared today. So, the objective for today's lesson is to use expressions for giving opinions about health, about our health, right? For that, we are going to play a game. So that's why I told you that I need your energy. But before I tell you anything about the game, I need that you move your desk to the back, please. Come on, let's be quick about it. Let me help you with that. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So let me count you. Okay. So today I have 28 students. Now I need 14 students here right now. Please hurry up. Quickly, please. Very good. Now I need that you form a circle over here. Come on. Perfect. Please, the guys at the back, I need your attention now. Now, each of you is going to stand in front of one of your classmates in the circle. Cada uno de ustedes se parará al frente de uno de sus compañeros que está en el círculo. Come on, quickly, please. Very good. So, the name of the game that we're going to play is speed dating. In this activity, you will have 1 minute to discuss about a question with the classmate that is in front of you. When the minute finishes, both circles will have to move to the right. Got it? Right here and right here. Yeah? So for that, you will have to use these expressions written on the board, such as I think that, in my opinion, I believe that, I agree with you, I see your point, I don't think so, and I completely disagree. Right? For instance, for example, I think that French fries are bad for our health. Then my classmate could say, I completely disagree with you because, I don't know, they are so tasty and make me happy. So this activity will only take 6 minutes. When we finish, I would like you to share your classmates' answer with the rest of the class. Now, Bastian, in this activity, do you have to write or discuss questions?
Discuss, teacher.
Very good. Right. Antonio, How much time do you have to discuss the question? 1 minute or 2 minutes?
1 minute, teacher.
Very good. And after that minute, do you have to move to the right or to the left?
Right.
Very good. So the question you will have to discuss is the following. What habits do you think have a positive, negative impact on your health? Yes?
Habits.
Habits is something that you do often and regularly. Algo que hacen regularmente y a menudo. Something that you do often and regularly. Okay. So, are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
Very good. So let's start. Come on, the minute is running. Students, please take a seat anywhere you can. Okay, very good. Now, we're going to revisar, check some opinions and information that you could get from your classmates. Bastian, could you tell me what habits your classmates think you should do to be healthy?
Exercise.
Very good. That's a good option. And now, Juanito, what do your classmates answer?
Eat vegetables and fruits.
Vegetables. Repeat after me. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Very good. Now, Emilio, can you tell me something that affects negatively on our health?
Smoking is bad.
Yes, very good. It is bad for our lungs, right? Pulmones, lungs.
Oh.
Now, before we go to the following activity, Andres, what did your classmates say about the questions?
They say that potatoes are bad for health.
Yes, indeed. They are not very good for our health. So now I will give you 3 minutes to each of you to write down some of the answers that you can remember from the game. Then you will hand it in to me at the end of the class. So the 3 minutes are running right now. Let's get to work. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. How do you feel today? Do you have energy or are you a little bit tired?
A little bit tired.
Oh, come on. We are going to have fun today. Can you tell me how was your weekend? Was it boring? Was it fun? And did you have good time with your family?
Yes, with my friends.
All right, very good. So yesterday I was watching the news and they were talking about something very important for us, our health, la salud, our health. Do you think that our health is important?
Yes.
Yes. And in the piece of news, nutritionists, experts who help people to have a healthy lifestyle, estilo de vida, lifestyle, they were talking about Chile, which is the second country with the highest obesity rate, índice de obesidad, obesity rate of the world.
Oh.
And it is very important to learn about this because it has an impact in our lives. Let me tell you now a personal story. It's very sad. My uncle had a heart attack. Sadly, él falleció. And the reason was that he ate a lot of junk food, like these bonbons. And he never ever did some exercise. And I think that his unhealthy lifestyle killed him.
Yes.
Camilo, do you practice any sport?
Yes. Teacher, for yoga.
Excellent.
And you play football. That is very good for health. Moving on, um, what do we see here on the board?
Uh, Useful expressions for
Yes.
giving opinions.
Very good, Emiliano. That's right. And we worked with that during the last class. You remember?
Yes.
And so we're going to use them now for an activity that I prepared for you today. But before that, the objective for today is to use expressions for giving opinions about health. Um, and now we are going to play a game. But I will, before I tell you anything about the game, I need you to move your desk to the back. Okay, very good. So let me count you. Okay, so today we have 28 students, and now I need 14 of you here. Yes, quickly, please. Very good. Now I need you to form a circle. Yes, perfect. Please, guys, at the back, I need your attention now. Each one of you is going to stand in front of each other in the circle, and cada uno de ustedes se parará al frente de sus compañeros que están en el círculo. Come on, quickly, please. Very good. The name of the game is speed dating. In this activity, you will have 1 minute to discuss about a question with a classmate that is in front of you. When the minute finishes, both circles will have to move to the right. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. For that, you will have to use these expressions written on the board. Yes? Such as, I think that, in my opinion, I believe that, I agree with you, I see your point, I don't think so, or I completely disagree. For example, I think that French fries are bad for health. And then my classmate could say, I completely disagree with you because I don't know, and they are so tasty and make me happy. Yes, so this activity will take only 6 minutes. When we finish, I would like you to share your classmates' answers with the rest of the class. So now, Camilo, in this activity, do you have to write or discuss questions?
Discuss, teacher, discuss.
Okay, very good. Antonio, how much time do you have to discuss the questions?
1 minute.
Yes, 1 minute. Perfect. And after 1 minute, do you have to move to the right or to the left?
The right, teacher.
Yes, perfect. The question that you will have to discuss is the following. What habits do you think have a positive or negative impact on your health?
Teacher, habits.
Habits is something that you do often and regularly. Algo que hacen regularmente y a menudo. Something that you do often and regularly. Okay, let's start. Students, please take a seat anywhere you can. Okay, very good. And over here, yes. And now we are going to check some opinions and information that you could get from your classmates. Emiliano, could you tell me what habits your classmates think you should do to be healthy?
We should go to the gym and exercise.
Very good. And now, Juanito, what did your classmate answer?
We should eat vegetables and fruits.
Vegetables. Repeat after me. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Right. Now, Emilio, can you tell me something that affects negatively on our health?
Um,
Yes, very good. It is bad for lungs, pulmones, lungs.
oh,
Ouch. And now, before we go to the following activity, Andres, what did your classmates say about the question?
they said that completos are bad for our health.
Yes, sadly they are. Now I will give you 3 minutes to write down some of the answers that you can remember from the game, and then you will hand them in at the end of the class. And the 3 minutes are running, so let's